Hey, English 104 students, I'm here with a quick review to help you understand a little bit more about quoting, summarizing, and paraphrasing, or quoting, paraphrasing, and summarizing. That's generally how I've been introducing them to you. I want to take you on Moodle, show you how to locate that previous resource that was there for you. And then we're going to take a look at an article just briefly on CNN.com to help us understand a little bit more. Okay, so let me share my screen with you so that you can follow along with me. So you'll notice on our Moodle page, if you scroll down into Unit 3 Persuasive Research Essay, you will find, I believe it is the assignment label. Let's see here, body paragraph assignment. We scroll down, you'll notice, oh, not body paragraph assignment, my apologies. So there's the body paragraph assignment, but we also have the source integration assignment that walks you through the main difference between quoting, paraphrasing, and summary. So I want to illustrate that with a particular article that's been available on CNN.com. Let's see if we can get it to pop up here. Yep, it's this one right here. It's an analysis. So many of you who live in Michigan know that Governor Whitmer put more stay-in-place guidelines, extended them a little further. So what would be quoting in this instance? Well, we would go down and we would take something like direct language from this particular area. We would say something like Whitmer defends the moves among the most strict in the country as necessary given the number of coronaviruses in the state. We would literally put that into our paper word for word. Okay, we put quotes around it, and then at the very end of it, we would have quotes, then a in-text citation with the author's last name. And the author's last name here is, let's see here, we'll go up, and it is Siliza, okay? I guess maybe I should have chosen one with a little easier name to pronounce. However, if you wanted to paraphrase a part of this particular essay, it would be taking a larger section of text and distilling it down into your own words. So if I wanted to take this section of text right here, I could simply say the executive order that Whitmer put into place includes things amongst only family members gathering, staying in home and not traveling, as well as limiting the number of people in stores. Okay, so you'll notice that basically I took that and I distilled it down. That would be a paraphrase. At the very end of that, I would also need the author's last name. So that would be the author, Siliza. Okay, now if I wanted to summarize this overall article, what I would do is I would take the whole article and I would figure out how I could put that into 3 or 4 sentences to help the reader understand the overall workings of this article, which largely is something like Chris Siliza, a CNN editor at large, and I guess editor for The Point on CNN, wrote an article titled, "Did Gretchen Whitmer Go Too Far in Her Coronavirus Quarantine?" In this article, Siliza analyzes the further extension of quarantine or stay in home that Governor Whitmer put into place, and the uproar that followed, or the rally that followed in the Capitol to work against those guidelines. The article expresses the dichotomy between rights and protection and security, and largely talks about the blowback that the governor's decision has had within Michigan. There we go. There's your summary of that. So it's taking a full text and distilling it down to just a small section that you can read in just a little bit, okay? So hopefully you find this video a little bit helpful in terms of understanding the difference between quoting, summary, or quoting, paraphrasing, and summaries, and make sure that when you do your body paragraphs, you are using at least one source in one of those forms. Generally, quoting or paraphrasing will be your best bet. Make sure you have in-text citations and run with those things as you continue to use your sources as evidence. Okay, thanks guys, and take care.